Double trouble is on the way. Round one of snow will bring up to 25 centimeters for parts of Newfoundland through the weekend. We see that system originating around the Maritimes, swinging through and then clipping the Avalon Peninsula. That snow begins around the southwestern corner of Nova Scotia Friday night into Saturday morning. As it departs, we will see sea effect snow fire up around Prince Edward Island and the top side of Nova Scotia. This system makes its way to the Avalon as we head late Saturday into Sunday morning before moving offshore. And this is kind of going to be the appetizer. The main course arrives at the start of next week, and so it could be a doozy with some heavier snowfall totals for Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. That heavy band of snow is expected to arrive across the southern Maritimes sometime late Monday and then pushing into Newfoundland for Tuesday.